Have you ever wanted to learn to paint and to be able to have the paint come out on the canvas just how you want? To be able to express yourself fluidly and really enjoy yourself at the canvas, mixing beautiful colours that you've always wanted to put together. Well, I'm Jacqueline Coates and I'm coming to Yandina on the Sunshine Coast with a blooms painting workshop that starts on the evening of September 22nd, and then we're working on the September 23rd to 26th in consecutive days, so that you can work for a 4.5-day workshop and create two beautiful big canvases, a bit like what I'm standing here with. And I came last year to Yandina and we did it out of the beautiful old Queenslander Hall, which everybody loved, and it's such a cool country town in the Sunshine Coast. And we all loved being there with like-minded others, and everybody produced amazing work. Well, I'm back again this year, and I've got a few spots left. So if you want to come, you need to be quick, because I'm going to be putting the order in for the art supplies really soon. So I'm not coming to Brisbane. I'm not coming to anywhere else in Queensland. This is your only shot if you want to come and see me, and it's in Queensland. So I've just got a few places left. I'd love to see you there. I'm going to teach you how to handle the acrylic paint. I'm going to teach you how to get past scritchy scratchy blending. I'm going to show you that you don't even need to be able to draw to do a beautiful masterpiece like this, and no previous experience necessary. See you there.